Are you drowning in MCA debt and just don't know what to do? Well, you do have options. You have several options. Unfortunately, the way merchant cash advances are sold they're made to seem like they're a great option that is fast, it's easy, and it's not going to be a burden because the money comes out automatically. There's no interest rate, there's a factor rate, and you'll be funded same day or the next day. So as a result, many business owners are taking these cash advances because they think it's a good idea. Within a week to 2 weeks, they start realizing, oh no, what did I do? The cost of this money is coming out and it's starting to cause my business to sink because now my cash flow has been reduced and I cannot function as a business. Your only alternative, because now you have a UCC filing against your business, is to seek out another cash advance. And you're not only going to be seeking it, but they will be contacting you and offering you more and more and more cash advances. Before you know, you're stacked with 2, 3, or 4 cash advances. There is a way out. Some of your options can be an SBA 7A loan. It could also be a business term loan or a line of credit if you have good credit and you have time to work on that solution. Alternatively, you can also seek out a merchant cash advance debt restructure with an attorney firm that will represent you to get out of this debt as quickly as possible, save you between 50 to 80% on your monthly expenses. These options are all valid and should be considered if you're drowning in MCA debt. Don't delay. Take advantage of a free consultation with me, the approved guy, and I'll go over your options with you and help you to make a good decision. If in fact you do need a life preserver to stop your ship from sinking, then I'll get you set up with the right company, the right firm of attorneys, based on the size and the amount of debt that you have to represent you in your state against your merchant cash advance lenders. That's step 1. Step 2 is to schedule to see your new B.O.A.T, which is your business opportunities, assets, and taxes strategy, so you'll never have to borrow from another bank again. On that session, we're going to connect on Zoom, and we'll also be reviewing your personal and business credit and talk about the next steps to prepare and build your credit so you can qualify for a future loan with the SBA or with a true business line of credit. So it doesn't stop with step 1. That's just the beginning so that you can free up cash flow, stop your ship from sinking. Step 2 is to review and look at your new B.O.A.T so that you'll never have to borrow again. And at the same time, prepare in case you do need to borrow again, you can qualify for the best options on the market. Take advantage of a free consult or go ahead and submit for your life preserver today.